Welcome, friends, towards the news which is coming. Here is the news that the Takeoff member of rap group Migos fatally shot outside private party in Houston. Police say Takeoff, who was one third of the platinum selling, he was one third of the platinum selling rap group Migos, was shot and killed early Tuesday in Houston, Texas. Authorities said he was just 28. Police received a call of a shooting in progress around 2:34 a.m. local time. Houston Police Department Chief Troy Finner said at a news conference on Tuesday. Officers arrived to the 810 Billiards and Bowling Houston, where there was a private party, and found a dead man at the scene. And then it was revealed that the person was member of rap group Migos, who was fatally shot outside private party in Houston.